Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Pretty Thing Home Decor and Lifestyle. Today's video is a Christmas in July craft with me. So what I've decided to do is take this sweater I purchased from the Goodwill. I think it's a nice cream colored sweater. And this jar here that I've had, and I did get this from Goodwill, but I've had it for a while, and I'm going to make a cozy sweater holder to put around the jar. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the sleeve, and I want to measure about maybe 4 or 5 inches from the bottom of the sleeve up, going up toward the shoulder. And I'm just going to kind of figure out where I want to cut here. Now I don't have a ruler, but I'm not using one right now, but you can, or you can just kind of estimate, put the sleeve over your jar and figure out where you want to cut, and then have a little bit left that you can tuck maybe underneath the jar. You can also use your glue gun and glue that underneath, but I'm just going to go ahead and make this cut, and we'll see how it turns out. Folks, I wonder if you are doing any Christmas in July crafts. If so, comment down below. So you see I have a little bit over here, and I'm going to pull that down a little bit, and I'm going to tuck this under so it have a clean edge. Now there are several things you can do to embellish this if you choose to. And see, I'm just going to place this underneath here. And so this is my cozy sweater candle holder, and it's giving my jar even cozier feel. Now this is just a frosted like jar. You can just use a plain jar if you choose to, or even a vase. Okay, so this is just a quick, super easy DIY. And then if you choose to, you might want to even add some florals in that. So I've added some florals in the jar, so that's one look. Now another thing you can do is you can put a candle in there too, since it is like a candle holder, but this is another way you can use it. So I'm going to remove those. I'm going to put a candle in there. I have two. I have a white one and I have a green one. So I'm going to go ahead and add a white candle in there, and we can try to light it up. Now I've been challenged a little bit with my hands, so I'm hoping that, guys, this will work. Now it worked before, so oh well, so I didn't get that to light, but you get the idea. I have had some neurological problems with my hands and some tennis elbow, so sometimes my fingers work and sometimes they don't. So that's another reason I haven't been doing too many crafts, but more doing some shop with me videos now. Or if you don't want to use that white candle, you can always put the green one in there. So that's DIY 1. So if you want to see some more, just continue watching. All right, for DIY 2, I'm going to be using some seashells that I purchased from Big Lots. I think I found a basket for about $14.98. Now, I spray painted some of them pink. I spray painted some of them gold. And some of them are their natural color. So, what I'm going to do is use a little Mod Podge and glitter in my seashells. And I'm going to see if I can make some seashell garlands. So I'm going to, since I've already painted them, now you can just maybe even add a string here with some glue, or you can add maybe like a gold ribbon or whatever you want to choose to use. But I am just going to go ahead and see if I can get a little Mod Podge on them and see what we get here. And I'm going to sprinkle just a little glitter on those to give them either a little bit more sparkle. Going to put those aside. And then here's a pink one. And just repeating the process. Little Mod Podge. And then sprinkle a little glitter on those. Now later on I'm going to go back and add a string. And I have some little pine cone garlands or pine cone ornaments. And so this is the type of string I was thinking I might use. But I also have just the regular Christmas hooks here. The green ones that you can probably purchase at Walmart or the dollar store. And I just have a pack of those. So I'll be using my glue gun later on and to finish those. But you get the idea. And I thought about drilling holes in them too, but I was thinking that they might shatter. So I may try that later on, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and just use these little ornament hangers on those. Okay, and I'm going to move this aside. And so for my next DIY 3, I'm going to let that dry there. I'm going to take this sign here. Let's see if we can lay that down and you can see that after I get some of my other stuff out of the way. I'm about to damage those. You see that sign there? Okay, I found this at Big Lots and it was on sale. Let's see, well, it was $12.97. And I'm going to use this in the bathroom. I haven't even used it yet, but you can see it have like the spring florals on that. And I want to remove those. And I think I'm going to embellish them. Okay. All right. Later on with my glue gun. So if you want to see how this turns out, just continue watching. So I have my glue gun heated up a little bit, and I'm going to use the pine cones to embellish the wreath on my little ladder here. And I thought this would be nice to use in the kitchen too. And I know this one has the letters on it, you know, home. But I thought that if you didn't have the letters on it, you probably could hang maybe some towels on it in the bathroom or in the kitchen. So I'm just adding a little glue here around the wreath to give the wreath a little embellishment here, using the little pine cones here. So this is, I guess, more like a little refresh here on my side. But I think this probably be super easy to make. This doesn't seem like it's something that's too complicated. And I'm just going to add the last one down here. And I want them to lie flat instead of, sticking up. So I might have to add a little bit more glue on this one here to achieve that look. Had to heat up my glue gun there. And I wanted to finish these out too. Had to wait on my glue gun. Yeah, I was kind of excited about this DIY. I actually forgot to heat it up. I had it here, have to turn it on, get it heated up there. And I'm just gonna see if I can add this hook here. Okay, get that back, I guess, in the frame there. Okay. I think about it, probably should have put it on the back. So maybe let's do that. And I do have this on high, so I'm trying not to burn my fingers. I do have the little finger covers or finger protectors. So I get so excited about Christmas in July. Okay, I'm gonna have to just kind of let that sit for a while. Okay, so that will hold. So folks, if you've enjoyed my video, I'd love for you to give my video a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. I'm considering maybe revamping it a little bit and maybe incorporating a little bit more DIYs. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And hopefully I'll see you soon in another Christmas in July video.